Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Widen Collective to Adobe Illustrator for brand libraries, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Ensure you have the Widen Collective account credentials ready. In Illustrator, navigate to the window menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down list, select Extensions, then look for Widen Collective. If you don't see it, you may need to install the Widen Collective extension. Once the extension is installed, open it by selecting it from the Extensions menu. Log in using your Widen Collective account details in the extension window. After logging in, you will see your brand libraries displayed. Choose the brand library you want to connect with. Click on the library to open it and browse the assets available. To add assets, select the items you need from the library. Drag and drop the selected assets directly onto your Illustrator canvas. You can resize or edit these assets as needed in your project. To organize your workspace, consider creating folders within the Widen library. This way, you can keep your assets categorized for easier access in the future. When you are done, remember to save your Illustrator file. If you make changes to the Widen assets, verify they reflect in your project. Finally, log out of the Widen Collective extension if you are finished working. Your connection to Widen Collective is now successfully set up in Adobe Illustrator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.